This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Withings Body Cardio scale. First, carefully unbox your new scale and remove any protective films. Next, download the free Withings Health Mate app onto your smartphone or tablet. You will then need to create a new Withings account or simply log in if you already have one. Finally, place your scale on a hard, flat surface, like a tiled floor, to ensure the most accurate readings possible. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Once your scale is set up, taking measurements is straightforward. Simply step onto the scale barefoot and stand still for a few seconds. The Body Cardio will then measure your weight, body composition, and key cardiovascular health metrics. Body composition includes important data like fat mass, muscle mass, and bone mass. For cardiovascular health, it provides your heart rate and pulse wave velocity, offering valuable insights into your overall well-being. Remember to stand still for the best results. A fantastic feature of the Withings Body Cardio is its seamless data synchronization. All your measurements automatically sync to the HealthMate app using either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This allows you to track your health trends over time with detailed graphs and historical data. The scale can also automatically recognize up to 8 different users, making it perfect for families. You can set personal health goals within the app and receive personalized insights to help you achieve them, fostering a healthier lifestyle. To keep your Withings Body Cardio scale in top condition, regular maintenance is simple. Clean the surface with a soft, damp cloth, avoiding any harsh or abrasive cleaners. When the low battery indicator appears, replace the 4 AAA batteries to ensure continuous operation. Always make sure your Wi-Fi connection is stable for uninterrupted data transfer to the app. For the most consistent and comparable results, try to weigh yourself at the same time each day, ideally in the morning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.